How to fix TikTok black screen. Stuck on a black screen while opening TikTok? Let's clear that up in seconds. First, force close TikTok from your recent apps, then go to your device settings, tap apps or applications, find TikTok and tap storage. Now clear cache, but don't tap clear data yet. Reopen the app and check if it's working. If not, try updating TikToks from the App Store or Google Play Store. Still black? Go back into settings and this time tap clear data as well. You will need to log in again, but this resets everything. Lastly, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Some black screen issues come from system-wide dark mode or power saving settings. Disable those temporarily. Has this happened to you before? Let me know in the comments below. And that's how to get TikTok back from the black screen fast, simple and effective. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.